Hey guys, welcome welcome back to Hfoschool quick class. So Delta Airlines decides to fine its employees $200 a month for non how do I say it? Fuck it. Non-vaxxed employees. Why is this a teachable moment? Because for those of you who are entrepreneurs or are self-employed or investors, you're not subject to the same stipulations or rules to that of employees like Delta Airlines or other companies who decided to join the movement or the cause. So that's another fabric of financial freedom, or a key fabric is control in how you earn, or financial independence is control in how you earn. Therefore, these stipulations or guidelines put upon you by other corporations or companies won't be a consistent factor. So till next time, guys, this was Hfoschool quick class.